In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of the marriage gift what we have got. So, I'm sure you have seen it in the intro. What is the gift? It's another topic where all the children have taken out the wrapper of it, but what it is left is without the wrapper. So the surprise is revealed. What is the gift? So let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is Healthy Fry digital air fryer, which is 1200 watts, and it is from the Pigeon company, powered by Air World technology. So this are the features of it. These are the features of it, which is healthier, faster, crispier, and tastier. And the bonus of this gift is it cooks with 95% less oil. So the another bonus is prepare healthy oil-free cuisine at home. And the cuisines are French fries, paneer tikka, samosa, vegetable roast, pizza, cutlet nuggets, cupcakes and cake, banana chips. So these are the cuisines which you can prepare in this air fryer. I'm really excited to open this and use it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, I'm really excited to open this and see how does it look in the package. Are you excited? Yes. She is really excited. This was my dream to get the air fryer, but I got it as a marriage gift. Sorry, we got it as a marriage gift. So let's go ahead and open it up. I think this is upside down.
No,
Is it? Oh no. Wow. Okay. This is a solid protection cover so that it doesn't get damaged. And the surprise is here you go. Wow. Is it heavy?
yeah.
It is heavy, right? Not worry, I guess it is 2 to 3 kgs, 3-4 kgs. So yeah. Okay, this is as usual the power cable which you can connect it to the switchboard, and this is how it looks. I guess it looks very fantastic. The color is also very nice. It is a military green color. It's very nice. It has a good curves and it can fit in anywhere. It's not very huge, very lightweight, and it has a good finish and good touch of gold color.
Bronze.
That's it. Bronze color. Okay, it's bronze, not gold color. I thought it is rose gold, but she says it's bronze. Okay. Let's open it. Wow. This is how they open it, and it has a manual in it. Okay. So I'll have to use this manual while using it. Temperature increase, decrease, appointment button. Okay. So this is how it looks inside. The polythene cover. This is a grill where you can use it for chicken or something like that. Okay. Display is here according to the manual. The digital display will come here. This is the non-stick basket that doesn't, no oil will stick inside it, and this is the anti-slippery. This is the anti-slippery feature which they have given so that it doesn't wobble. This has a very strong handle, so I think when you put 2 to 3 kgs, no, I think if you put half kg, right, you can
Less
put
than half. Yeah.
less than half kg you can make in it. So yeah, so the capacity is half kg max, I guess so. You can cook in it. What next?
Capacity. This says 4.2 liters, so we will have to.
Electronic gadget. You want to see the working of this air fryer, okay? Alright, that's it. There's a 4 major features it has given: digital display, non-stick basket, anti-slippery feet, and a strong handle. Alright, and how to use appointment functions, all things I will let you know in other video. That's it. That's how we did the unboxing. There are more couple of gifts which I've got in marriage. I will do it in some other video. Until then, this is the biggest gift what we have received, right? Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next video.